Good morning, lifestylers. This is Paul Kramer, Senior Vice President, coming to you from our home office in Toronto, Canada. This is part 2 of our PKA product training series, and today we're going to talk to you about our product Nutria Plus. And I know it's a very challenging time with the COVID-19 virus spreading around the world, and we're affected by it here in Canada as well, and I know it's difficult for everybody, but what we're going to try and do today is give you some information that hopefully will help you to stay healthy and give you some information that you can share with your groups and your organizations and your customers to give them an idea about how these products can help people in this challenging time. When we talked about our earlier session, we were talking about intra, and we were talking about the immune system. And I thought I'd just give you a little bit of a recap on that, talking a little bit about the immune system in this module as well, because it's so important. We know the body is made up of 8 biological systems. We know that intra supports and strengthens the 8 biological systems, but one system in particular is extremely important today with the challenges that we're facing, and that is the immune system. And just a brief summary, the immune system is a series of cells, tissues, and organs in the body that protect the body from viruses. They're like a shield between you and viruses and bacteria and even certain types of cancers. So it's very, very important to have a strong and healthy immune system, because the challenges we face today, they're everywhere. When you think about, everybody's so concerned about the COVID-19 virus, and rightly so. We know that this virus can be in the air, it can be on an ATM machine, it can be on a door handle, it can be on all sorts of things. And that's the same with all viruses and bacteria. A lot of times you touch something that has the virus on it, and then you touch your face, and that's how you get infected. So we're going to talk a little bit about today how Nutria Plus can help support the body's immune system, because there are certain things that strengthen the immune system and there are others that weaken the immune system. And things that weaken the immune system are things like stress, smoking, air pollution, drinking alcohol, not getting enough sleep, lack of exercise, that type of thing, right? So if you think about those things, a lot of those things are under our control. We can exercise more, we can take steps to reduce stress, we can sleep better. A big one when it comes to the immune system is our diet. What kind of nutrients are we taking into our body every day? And that's what we're going to talk about today, because that's one that as a lifestyles distributor, we really can control, is our nutritional intake. And with that in mind, we're going to talk about our Nutria Plus product. You can see here on the screen, Nutria Plus has 12 ingredients. We call it Synergy 12 because these 12 ingredients work together in harmony to support the body's systems, to strengthen the body, to provide antioxidants to the body. So we call it Synergy 12 because these nutrients are proven to work in harmony with one another. We're going to talk about 3 in particular that really impact and strengthen our body's immune system. The first one is our unique brand of selenium called Seleno XL. And Seleno XL is extremely unique. It's the only selenium in certain countries that's available. And so in other words, another way to say that is Nutria Plus is the only product that contains this specific brand of selenium. And it's an organically bound selenium, meaning it's extremely well absorbed by the body, which is very, very important. One of the things about selenium that makes it so important for the immune system is that it acts as a strong antioxidant. And when an antioxidant is in your body, it protects your immune system from free radicals, thereby allowing the immune system to function better. So we've got a product with our selenium, Seleno XL brand, that does protect the immune system from free radicals, thereby allowing the immune system to work more effectively and to be more efficient. The second ingredient we want to talk about is garlic extract. We use an aged garlic extract. Now, you can see here on the screen, garlic contains an ingredient called alanine. And alanine converts to sulfur compounds in your body. And these sulfur compounds have a very unique ability to strengthen the white blood cells, which are the cells that are most effective in the immune system in fighting bacteria and viruses. So garlic is extremely, extremely important. If you can cook with more garlic, if you can just eat more garlic in addition to taking Nutria Plus, you're going to receive the benefits of that garlic extract, which really does help support the body's immune system. Okay, so the third ingredient we're going to talk about is vitamin C. Now, I want you to know that Nutria Plus is fortified and boosted with additional vitamin C. The reason this is so important is in a lot of countries, I know in the Philippines in particular and in Malaysia in particular, it's very difficult to find vitamin C in the stores now because people are so concerned about COVID-19 that they want to increase their intake of vitamin C. But if you go into a store in many of these countries, it's extremely hard to find. The good news is we have it boosted up in Nutria Plus. So vitamin C is crucial. You can see here that it enhances the antibodies in the immune system. So by taking extra vitamin C in addition to your diet, you are going to get the antibody boosting properties of vitamin C, which is extremely, extremely important. So don't worry that vitamin C is not in the stores. We've got it in Nutria Plus. You can use Nutria Plus every day and you're going to get your boosted up intake of vitamin C. Okay, so that's very, very important. So those three ingredients, along with the 4 in intra that we talked about in the first module, are your immune supporters in the Nutria Plus product. Okay, so some tips with Nutria Plus: always take it with food. Unlike intra, which you can take any time of the day with or without food, with Nutria Plus you want to take it with a meal. And the reason why is it's better absorbed by your body. The selenium's better absorbed. The vitamin C is better absorbed. All of the nutrients in Nutria Plus are better absorbed when you take it with food. So you can take Nutria Plus 2 to 6 capsules a day. Spread them out over the day. Make sure you take them with food, and make sure you take your intra every day as well. They don't have to be at the same time. Just take them in the same day. Okay, so that's the key thing for the Nutria Plus, is to get those 3 immune supporting nutrients into your system each and every day with food. So sort of a summary that we talked about earlier is in the first module as well. Things to really help keep you healthy. Number 1, your diet. Eat lots of fresh fruits and vegetables. Number 2, make sure you get plenty of sleep, 8 hours of sleep a night if you can. Number 3, reduce your stress if you can, and try to get regular exercise. Number 4, wash your hands. Make sure you wash your hands at least 20 seconds. Sing happy birthday to yourself while you're washing your hands with soap, with water. Do that very, very often. And most importantly, for Lifestyles distributors, our customers, people everywhere, use our Lifestyles products to help keep you healthy, keep you strong. Take them every day. And I know that if you do that, you're going to give your body the best chance, the best fighting chance to stay healthy in an extremely challenging time. So thank you, all of you, for being here with us today with these 2 modules. We're doing a Q&A session next. I hope you tune in for that. I can't wait until I can come and visit you all again. We get this out of the way and get back to normal. In the meantime, please stay healthy and happy. Thank you very much.